When Alhaji Waziri was creating the Nigeria People's Party, he wanted his party to be different from all other parties in Nigeria. His party aimed at promoting peace and unity in Nigeria and to also ensure that all Nigerians had access to good food, water, and a good home. That is not all. The party wanted to ensure that Nigeria's economy was strong and better than it was before. The party succeeded in making great politicians for Nigeria, politicians that were interested in the growth of the country and not just money. They also won governorship elections in 3 states, including Imo, Anambra, and Plateau states. And finally, the major contribution of the NNP was the ability to connect and keep a good relationship between the people and the government. Thank you, and bye for now.